Hello, it's Mumin, and today is the second part of our evolution video. Last time we speak about the spiders and we said that the spiders usually eat mosquito. So today we talk about the smaller insect than the spider and mosquito. Well, I try to find more information about the mosquito, and here I come across with some info that the mosquitoes is very old topic to human being, and even it mentioned in the religious book. Well, one of them 1400 years ago in Arabia, when Islam came, disbelievers start to ask what Allah had intention of making the mosquito. And here is in the Surah Baqarah ayah 26, Allah said that surely Allah does not feel shy away even bringing a mosquito or smaller than that. Well, in that time I don't know how exactly they understood about it, but today if we look about it in scientific way, we will understand more better about mosquitoes. So here it is. Perhaps when you sitting, if any ant walks in your body, you will understand, because your body, our body is sensitive. But when mosquito bites, we don't understand until it finish sucking our blood. So here it is how. What science discovered today? Mosquito have ability of anesthesia our skin. So which means that when mosquito sits, first it will anesthesia your body, and you won't feel how it sits and how it digs your skin, and then it start to suck your blood. So maybe if it didn't have, when it sit and it start to bite us, we could kill them. So how is nature give the ability to the mosquito that when it sits to your body, it will anesthesia, and then in the 3 minutes the mosquito will suck your body, and mosquito's body will become more than bigger. So which means that mosquito can drink your blood more than its size. And then only female mosquito they suck a blood. The male mosquito, they prefer to be a vegetarian, let's say. Fine. So the needle which they have in their nose, which through that they suck a blood, it's very tiny, and inside that tiny needle it's another 5 thin and long another needle, and which some of them has a tooth in there. Well, in the night time, maybe when you sleep, you turn off the light, still mosquito come and bite you, because with that 100 eyes what mosquito has, it can find the infrared, which your body heat shows that infrared to the eyes of the mosquito. In previous our video we said that some of the insects, they don't need a light to find their lifestyle. So one of them it's mosquito. And also, when your body is more sweaty, mosquito will recognize you with your sweat. So around 25 meters further, mosquito with that small their body, they can find you, they can chew you, and then they can come to you. However, why they suck our blood? Because the human blood consists from the lot of the protein, and then they need that high protein for growing egg to the generation. So that's why now we know that the female mosquito they bite, and the male they prefer to be a vegetarian. So as we speak in the beginning of our topic that mosquito and smaller than that, so what science discovered? Mosquito, by being a very small, it also has on its body and another insect and another parasite which lives from mosquito. It is, if the mosquito brings the illness or sickness, there should be another cure for this. So there is insect which is mosquito brings the sickness, another insect also it brings you a cure, and it is the honeybee. Well, about the honeybee I will make another topic if you like, but now I will give a little bit more information. And same thing in the book of the Quran, there is a surah of bee itself, and ayah 69 what is mentioning that Allah made the honey is a cure for almost any kind of the sickness. So here it is. Let me say a little bit why it's a cure for this illness. Well, the honeybee, they usually eat flowers and fresh flowers from the best flavors without poison. And if it happens, any honeybee, they sit in the poisoned flower. So when they go, which is in the group, they all have a security, and then when they will detect a poisoned honeybee, and then they will destroy it immediately before it enters to the cage. Another thing, if maybe in your life ever honeybee bite you, when you pay attention, when honeybee bites you, when it flies together, it will destroy itself, because the all inner organs of the bee will come out. So it's also one of the reason it keeps clean. So it doesn't mean that human we are not so clean, yeah, but it's sometimes like if anybody have HIV, and if the bee bites you and then goes to make a honey of, and it will be not as a promises, and it has in the Quran. Well, did you know that one of the best honey in the world is in Tajikistan? Well, keep eating honey from the sickness, take care of yourself, learn something new, and thank you for watching.